chew up the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beats back at you with yet another video, man. And today is Wednesday the 26th, man. Yesterday was Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of my peoples. Got some exciting stuff to bring to you right now, man. Some exciting stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yao Ming. This is, you saw from the description, you already know what it is, man. But these are the, let me get the,
hold on, I'm not right, man. I'm not right. Hold on. Right.
Excuse the cough, man. Still got a little bit of that gungus going through me, but we're gonna get through this, man. These are the Yeezy Boost 700 V2s, man. So these are the, oh, I still didn't even read it. 700 V2, man. The color scheme is static, and static. And in any other language you want to pick, it still says static, and static.
And static.
So it's these guys right here, man. Static 700 V2s, man. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, man. First thing that comes to me right when I look at this, man, is the materials on this thing is crazy, man. This little portion right here, man, all of this leather is butter. That's butter. All of this stuff on the toe box, man, butter. I mean, butter. They went crazy with the details and the materials. You heard that, Jimmy, 2 times in there? In the materials. It's dope, man. It's a super clean, super dope silhouette, man. Kanye really outdid himself with this shoe, man. I'm just gonna say that right off the rip, man. There are a lot of differences.
It's a redesign, man. Redesign.
This is a complete redesign, man, of the original 700. Okay? So don't think, let me get it back here. Don't think you're gonna see the same thing.
We even got a picture.
Yeah, we'll pop this picture up, man. So you can see in these 2 pictures right here, well, there's one picture with these 2 shoes, all of the intricate details that are so different, man. On this pair right here, which I've been sleeping in a cave or something. I didn't even realize the 3M, the 3 stripes was here going that way, man. But on these guys, you can see the 3 stripes is going horizontal instead of vertical. Also, the toe box is a complete redesign.
Yeah, I like it better this way.
You can see up front.
It looks way better.
It does look way better. I can't say it looks way better because I do like this shoe. You know what I'm saying? It just looks way different. And because this one is so clean, that's just, you know.
It makes it twin time.
Yeah.
Another difference in the shoe is that the whole lace is R3M.
Yeah, the entire lace, as you saw in the picture before, is 3M, man. It's
the tongue accents are 3M, like everything on the shoe is staticky, which, you know, gives off that shock effect, you know?
They really changed this shoe up, man. It's so crazy. And I'm gonna be honest, the first time I looked at it, I didn't recognize it. It didn't hit me like that. It took me a minute to get there. But as you can see, man, all the way around the shoe, we got lots of differences, man. So if you're a big fan of the wave runner, man, you should be a big fan of the static. You should be even more of a fan of the static, to be honest, because this is just so clean, man.
So fresh and so clean.
The only thing that I see that is completely the same is the sole, man. The sole, the midsole is,
that's so deaf.
So deaf. It's all the same, man. It's just, they just stripped this one. They just stripped it of all color, man. It's just.
And another difference in it is actually the like how the material is.
Yeah, definitely the materials.
The base material on it, like the cloth on it.
Yeah. So this mesh and this mesh is obviously. Yeah, this one is textured. It's textured on the static.
What's that word you said in the last video?
Perforated.
Perforated. How you spell that?
hater. Purple hater.
So these guys are definitely way more textured when it comes to this material on the inside, man. I mean, this is clean, man. This is clean. Y'all gonna want this shoe, man. You're gonna want this shoe. Wow, this shoe came after my top 10. It probably would have made my list.
Shoot, you can look at top 5 from the 25th to
The top 5 releases of December. Yo, me?
Nah, top 5 from the 25th to the 1st.
Right. Cold. Cold, cold, cold.
Static in the building, man. Simple as that.
So,
these come out the 29th.
Drop a comment, man. Let me know what you think about these, man, if you're going to be going after them. I'm not sure how the release is going to be. I don't know how many repairs are releasing, man. Normally I would check that, but like I said, I've been under with a little bit of the Ganges, man. The plug hit me up and was like, yo, I got these guys, so I just made it happen, man. When got them.
So you got the Ganges.
Ganges.
Ganges. Hey, watch out, kids.
Hey, little kids, don't follow these dopes. But yeah, hopefully you're able to get these, man. I'm assuming that they're gonna be a pretty general release.
Maybe. Are they even on the apps?
Check. You want to check real quick and see if it's on Foot Locker or Foot Action or Champs? Okay, so as of Wednesday, man, these are not on Foot Action. So I don't know, man. It might be a difficult one, but hey. Every raffle you can enter, go ahead and enter it, man. You're gonna want these. I'm just gonna tell you.
Yeah, good luck.
Right off the rip. That's it, man. Like I said, drop a comment, man. Let us know if you plan on copying these things, man. And man, don't forget to give us a sub, man. Sub us up, man, if you have not already, man. If you're new to the channel, man, welcome. Welcome, man.
Namaste.
Appreciate you falling through.
Namaste.
Come back and holler at us sometime, man. Tell us whatever, man. Tell, hey, that old man, why that old man talk about sneakers? You know what I'm saying?
Why that young man ain't talking?
Why that young man don't be saying nothing?
I'll be staring you down, man. I'm just going to back like. I'm like.
Where y'all Gators fans at, man? I know there's some Gator fans out there, man. Y'all better stand up before I stand all over y'all out here. Y'all mean? But that is it, man. Static guys in the building, all right? They not your wave runners, man. They not your wave runners. It's a whole new breed right here. So, Static's in the building. Pops, son, Cam,